Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by updating and isolating variables. Open Microsoft Store, check Roblox for updates, and install any available patch. Once done, close Roblox and end related processes in Task Manager so files aren't locked. Make sure your mouse drivers are current through Device Manager, and confirm USB Selective Suspend is off in Power Options. This prevents intermittent disconnects. These steps eliminate common causes, so the next actions target the app itself rather than hardware noise. Next, repair the app to restore corrupt files and settings. You open Settings, find Roblox under Apps, click Repair. If issues persist, reset to force a fresh local configuration. Before reinstalling, run WS Reset to clear store cache so the redownload is clean. Once reinstalled, disable overlays and input remappers like Steam or third-party macros because they can alter mouse input. These measures address application layer problems that cause cursor jumps or locked camera behavior. Finally, validate the fix by launching Roblox into a clean place with default controls so you isolate the bug. If problems remain, swap USB ports, toggle Bluetooth, or test a different mouse to rule out hardware. Make sure VSync and pointer precision settings are standard. If nothing helps, capture Roblox logs and reinstall Microsoft Store components. This resolves deep store-to-app handshake errors. One troubleshooting tip: run Windows in Clean Boot to find software conflicts quickly so you can identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.